if you're a freelancer and you wanted to offer WordPress design using Elementor page builder, then you would want to practice in your device. So you have to install a local environment, create the local environment where you can install the Elementor free version. So you just go to this website, localwp.com, and then click this button, download for free. A pop-up window will appear and there's a form. You just need to fill out this form. The next steps are pretty intuitive. There's no reason for you to get stuck. You just follow the steps in the process, and after you have successfully downloaded it, it looks like this. So in my case, I only have one website. You can add as much as you want using the plus button here. Create a new website or from a blueprint or whatever. Again, it's straightforward, so very easy to follow the instructions. So you have this is how it looks, the dashboard. So you have the overview, the database, tools. You can log into your WordPress by pressing the WP admin, button. And then here you have the dashboard. So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with the WordPress dashboard if you're already offering WordPress support or assistance role. And so you just go here in plugins and then add plugins. I have already installed Elementor, I believe, but let me check. Oh, I haven't. Okay, so to add the Elementor free version, you just look for Elementor, search for Elementor, and then the next steps: install and activate. Obviously, you cannot have the pro version here. So since I have already installed it, I just need to activate it, and then there you go. You can practice the Elementor as much as you want.